Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of class 10th, HS exercise 3.4 question number 2 part number 2nd करो. Question 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? Question is कि 5 वरी ब्रोंट Nuri has trigne once Sonu sunish. Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Nuri has Sonu sunish trigne once 10 years later. Magar 10 वरी पद क्या है? Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. Nuri has Sonu sunish trigne once. How old are Nuri and Sonu? Once the present age of Nuri क्या है and present age of Sonu क्या? Actually present age दुश्मन हंस मालूम की लिहाजा करो इस दुश्मन हंस age suppose. Therefore, let present age of Nuri. It was X years and present age of Sonu. It was Y years. In as for suppose present age of Nuri was X years, present age of Sonu was Y years. Path was 5 very path 5 years ago. अगर 5 very path गसो चूंकि Nuri has present age was X years. Yelis wusho em 5 वरी ब्रोट क्या age em amne गस 5 वरी गस present age minus. So em present age of Nuri 5 years ago age of Nuri. Nuri's age क्या 5 वरी ब्रोट या X minus 5. Age of Sonu. ये 5 वरी ब्रोट क्या Sonu age या Y minus 5. Path which is question क्या है according to first condition of the question. According to question. Question जो है ना 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Nuri has Sonu sunish trigonometry. यानी तेरे वो condition ऐसा है Nuri has age 5 वरी ब्रोट X minus 5. Sonu sund age Y minus 5. हम हेकन बराबर ऐसित की क्या ये शो already trigonometry यम सनिश ओइस यम कार गसन equalize ये यह ती करो multiply by 3. क्या Nuri is already 3 times as old as Sonu. ऐसा ऐसे तो बात सोन ये इक्वेशन बनाने खतर इक्वलाइज करने खतर से बैलेंस करने खतर से सोनो सुन एज ते तुम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर यू सी ऑलरेडी ज्यादा ये क्या भाई when x minus 5 you can simplify 3 into y go 3y 3 into 5 go minus 15. This further implies when x 3y that you are when minus 3y minus 15 that you are when plus 15 so already minus 5 plus 15 minus 5 go plus 10 even is equal to 0. Even one condition x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. So the condition क्या है? The condition is 10 years later. In the present age of Nuri was X years. 10 years later, क्या है age of Nuri? Age of Nuri. Common sense. अगर present age हम सोच X 10 पर बात आए हम सोच age X plus 10. X plus 10 years. इतना पर अगर present age of Sonu शो Y after 10 years आए हम सोच age of Sonu. Age of Sonu after 10 years so आए Y plus 10. Okay. According to question, I mean second condition of the question. Question चुना after 10 years, after Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. Nuri has So Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. Nuri as Sonu is dignum. As condition equation x plus 10 even 2 times y plus 10. So Nuri is already dignum. Vakar but दुश्मन age किस प्रकार का equalize ये जैसे Sonu age is 2 से multiply करो. Given x plus 10 is equal to 2 into y go 2y, 2 into 10 go 20. Given x plus 2y that you are given minus 2y, 20 that you are given minus 20 is 10 minus, given minus 10 is equal to 0. Given a sign pair of linear equations when x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0, x minus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. This one therefore pair of linear equations so क्या बना हुआ है x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. इसको डायरेक्ट इमेज लिखित x minus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. Equation x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. This equation same. This equation must be a variable eliminate karn. So eliminate karn karo we should do equation subtracting equation first and second. We get. It is more subtraction karo. What like x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. X minus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. Subtraction kara. Yasa sign change plus even minus to minus even plus to minus even plus. Yamsa x minus x cancel to minus 3y plus 2y even minus y. Is plus 10 even plus 20 is equal to 0. This further implies minus y plus 20 that what even minus 20 minus is cancel. This implies y by plus 20. Draw y value. X value काटने खतर करो ये y value substitute equation first में. Substitute y is equal to 20 in equation first we get. Yeli first में substitute when x minus it was 3y by 3 into 20 plus 10 is equal to 0. X minus 320 is equal to minus 60 plus 10 is equal to 0. X minus 60 plus 10 go minus 50 is equal to 0. This further implies x go minus 50 then what even plus 50. X value is 50, y value is 20. When x the y cash through this. X is from age of Nuri, y is from the age of Sonu. Can you have a minute? Therefore, present age of Nuri. So, what the x years from 50 years. And I mean present age of Sonu. Present age of Sonu. So, just for y years, y is 20, so I 20 years. In this point, Nuri has age 50 years, Sonu's age is 20 years. I go to some conditions question to them, I'm satisfied as I can. Question was one 55 years ago, once very Sonu was such a Nuri has such a triangle with Sonu's age. I guess 5 years ago, because present age 50 years, 5 years ago, as Nuri has age 45 years. Sonu's present age 20 years, 5 years ago, as 20 minus 5, so 15 years. 45 is 3 times more than 15. 45 is 3 times more than one condition satisfied. The condition is 10 years later. Agar is present age Nuri has 50. 10 years later I see 50 plus 10 so 60. So present age 20. 10 years later I see 20 plus 10 so 30. 60 is 2 times more than 30. This condition values satisfied. Correct values और इतना पर ही कुछ बाकी क्वेश्चन